Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Olivia that's back again. And today we will be drawing something that involves St. Patrick's Day.
We are drawing a St. Patrick's Day girl.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Let's begin, guys.
We are preparing pencil and marker and eraser. Okay, first of all, we use the pencil to draw the half circle in the middle of the paper, like here. Little flags, not very circle, not very half. So the part of it, okay. And now you use pencil around head. That's almost a half circle. Yeah, it's a half circle. Okay. Don't draw too hard because you need to erase it, right? Okay, we draw the two circle here. It's this little girl's big eyes. Okay. Here. Okay. And then now I draw like this part. This part. This we'll draw the two eyelashes. Okay, and then the smile face, smile mouth. Okay, now bless you. Now we start to use marker.
Let's begin, guys.
Draw her face first from here to here. And then we draw many small arcs, okay, from here around this shape. Some you could bigger, some you could smaller a little bit, but follow the shape, okay? Nice. So this is her wig, right? Kind of like broccoli. And now we connect with the opposite small arcs from here. Okay. Nice style. It's cute. Okay, and now we draw a little bit of eyelashes like here. Okay, and draw her smiling mouth. This part we could draw bigger a little bit. Okay, so now we start coloring.
Let's begin, guys.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, it looks pretty cute. Abracadabra. That was weird.
Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Bye.